Back with some breaking news coming in. Republic has accessed exclusive visuals from Dominica that show the location where Choksi allegedly landed. Republic, remember, also has exclusive details of the affidavit filed by MEA in Dominica High Court opposing his bail. The Indian government has asserted that Choksi is an Indian national and he has fled the crimes in India and hence must be returned to the country. Niranjan, my colleague, is joining us live from the Mumbai newsroom. Niranjan, there have been a lot of speculations going on what really happened. Choksi saying that he was allegedly abducted. Several theories that have been coming to light. Talk to us about these visuals that we've accessed and the latest you're picking up. And as far as the Indian side's attempt to bring him back is also concerned.
Well, first of all, this is the video that we've accessed, of Jolly Harbour, where the yacht was spotted as released by Choksi's legal team. But I want to go across to Rhythm because she's picking up the big story from Dominica as India files an affidavit. In fact, India has filed we told you that there were 2 impleadment applications, and we are going all out as a country to state the legal facts in the Mehul Choksi case, to put the facts on record, and to tell Dominica why this man on the run in India, facing so many charges, $1.5 billion, American dollars that is, he owes to India, and he's trying to hide there. Let me go across to Rhythm. She has the full details of the MEA affidavit that was filed. Rhythm, tell us about the MEA affidavit and why is this affidavit significant? And it comes a few days after we've accessed the CBI affidavit. How are they both building a case to bring Choksi back to India?
This is such a massive deal that a masterstroke legal strategy has been planned by India on an international level. It's unprecedented, Niranjan, that we are filing such affidavits in an international court in a bail hearing. It's never happened before. And this is something that is showing India's determination, not only diplomatically, but very clearly the intent is clear. When Team India mission that is being led by Mr. Hari Salve, Queen's Counsel as well as senior advocate, has clearly clarified it will be a matter of weeks that Choksi is back. I believe that news could be broken on Republic TV because today, as we access the MEA affidavit and I read through it, the intent that India is putting out is extremely clear. The MEA, which is the Ministry of External Affairs, has clarified to the international court that Mehul Choksi is an Indian citizen. Why is this important? Because citizenship becomes the main important thing that the international courts will be dealing with. Dominica will be thinking whether Mehul needs to be sent back to Antigua or India. India specifies in an affidavit. The first thing is we were not even a party in the case, but we file an affidavit. The second thing is file an affidavit in which we give details about why the Ministry of Home Affairs says Mehul Choksi is an economic fugitive. He needs to be brought back. The third thing that we say in the affidavit in pages 3 and 4 is that the government of India has raised the issue of cancellation of citizenship that was granted by Antigua to Mehul Choksi as it was taken fraudulently. Not only do we continue saying that he's an Indian citizen, but we also say that he took the citizenship in Antigua by fraud. He didn't tell them the true facts. They say that this is covered under certain sections of the Citizenship Act. Finally, India makes a demand before the Dominican court on page 11. Mehul Choksi's citizenship is Indian. The concerned authorities should be directed to immediately transfer, deport, hand over Mehul to the Indian authorities, and he should be denied bail. It has been signed by Azad Singh, who is the second secretary, High Commission of India in the Port of Spain. As we were talking about this when we were doing our investigation, Niranjan, you and I know how India is talking about this globally. India is trying to make a noise about this, whether it's our Trinidad and Tobago ambassadors and people who are involved in this mission, whether Team India mission is involved in the capital, whether the CBI team is involved in Mumbai and Delhi, whether the ED is filing another charge sheet also trying to rope in Mrs. Mehul Choksi in the case, whether it's the Dominican government of India is very closely in touch with, or whether it's the Antiguan Prime Minister who spoke exclusively to you, and Gaston Brown said, we want Mehul to go back. On every level, on a multi-level layer, multiple agencies in India and the government that is heading the entire mission very clearly, diplomatically, legally, in every way possible, ensuring Mehul Choksi is dragged back to India extremely safe.
Rhythm, thank you for that. Thank you for that, Rhythm. Let's take a short. I want you to stay with me because we have to take a short break. We'll take a break and we'll come back and we'll come back to you, and we'll tell our viewers a little bit more about India's affidavit on Choksi after the CBI affidavit. Republic TV team once again getting you the big scoop from Dominica as we access the MEA, the government affidavit. It's the second affidavit that has been accessed, and we're getting you all the updates. Stay tuned.